let's talk about colored pens. Colored pens are usually 12 colors, 24 colors, but there are some imported colored pens that have much more colors. The head of the pen is generally round. The color would be strong and abundant when the water of the color is sufficient. The disadvantage is that it can be modified. Besides, the color transition is a little bit unnatural. So we have to convert this unnatural effect when we draw and bring it a sense of beauty. Now look at this piece. First, let's look at the figure behind. There is a dark character. It has this color transition that we mentioned. It makes good use of the traces created by the intertwining of lines. The interlacing parts of lines are darker and heavier. So here, these traces of the color shade was used. Layer by layer, it forms a good-looking texture. The purity of its color is also very high because of the colored pen. The color of red, blue, green, and rose are all very pure. The accuracy of this color is excellent. And there is one more thing about colored pens. It is a tool we're familiar with. Like the fountain pen or ballpoint pen that we know well, it is easy to use and you can easily draw nice straight lines or smooth curves. Let's look at another piece. This one is different from the previous one. This one was painted with a very freedom brush. The painter used some messy lines when she was drawing the clothes. It's as quick as a sketch. The lines are in an uneven arrangement. We even can see how the color water doesn't come out of the pen smoothly. Especially for the green cloth, you can feel that for some part of the cloth, the water of the color pen is very low. Thus, it forms this nice color with a light and heavy effect. Also, this piece is very well styled. It means that the look of the characters shows that these characters have personal thoughts. For example, she used a large area of color to draw the chin. Then the part of the eyes was dealt to be a little bit like Chinese facial painting. They seem to have the same facial treatment like the facial painting in the Peking opera. The whole picture will make us relaxed and humored. You'd think that this is fun. Every character is distinct from one another. Let's look at next picture. This piece is a storyboard by a filmmaker. The work uses contrasting colors. It forms a blue and yellow contrasting relation. Same with the lines here. It is very similar to the one we talked about earlier. There is a lot of mixed but regular lines used in the blue background. It does a good job of showing the light and the night view. The contrast between cold and warm in the picture is beautiful.